Hey everybody, it's Friday afternoon here at the farm. If you saw the reel earlier today, we were actually working on barn clean out, but Lucius is taking a nap, so I've moved down to the greenhouse. And I thought that I would take an opportunity to show you guys a little bit more about our system and why it is that we are able to grow so much lettuce and what it is that makes us different. So if you saw our original GoFundMe video, you're already tracking that we use a system of growing called aquaponics. And the way it works for us, the way that we plant, is we start with these quick cell plug trays. And what the big deal about these is they already come plugged with soil. They've got small holes in them that allow us to seed them very quickly. It takes maybe 10 minutes to seed, depending on how many combinations of greens we put in here and have to be able to tag. From there, we take these trays and we put them in a grow tower. So this grow tower is automatically lighted, automatically watered, and all we have to do is leave them there and let the plants sprout. 2 weeks later, we pull them out, and this is what they look like. As you can see, they are absolutely beautiful. They are almost a perfect plant. So not 128 always germinate, but we still get somewhere between roughly 110 to 125, I would say, on a regular day. We will take these after they're germinated. We'll pull out each one of the plugs, and we will move them to what's called a 161 cell wrap. So I will go ahead and show those to you next. These wraps are something that the plants will stay in for another 2 weeks, and they look like this. So this right here is a 161 cell raft. As you can tell, we have a variety of lettuces. We actually have our first celery growing. There's some broccoli. Back here are some more lettuces. These are actually a little bit older. And once they get done in these rafts, they spend about another 2 weeks, and then they move into these rafts. These rafts have 28 cell spaces, and it allows the lettuce to expand. Now, when we first started doing it, we put in all 28 heads at the same time. We didn't like the way our lettuces grow. So now we switch them out, so about half of the raft always gets harvested at once. We also have these trays. This is kale right here, and in the back you can see collards. These are what's called a come and cut vegetable. So we will cut off the collards, cut off the baby leaves and the kale, be able to package them, leave the plant there and allow it to continue to grow. We usually have basils, Swiss chards, some watercress that are very similar. Right now we're experimenting with different crops at different time of the year, so we are switching some stuff out. Overall, this system holds a total of 66 rafts. So you'll see that's what gets us our combination of being able to grow between 300 and 400 heads of lettuce a week. It really depends how many come and cut rafts we have, what type of lettuces we grow, how long they're going to be in the system. Some of these only take 5 weeks in here, and some of them take 7 or 8.